Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you don't know me, my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I am just going to show you guys what I got in my June BellaBox. So as usual, the box looks like this. It's a blue box. So let's quickly see what I got in my June box. So first thing I can see, it says baby it's cold outside. Oh, it's cold outside, but here at my place it's cold inside too. So this is the card and everything about all these products are here, like where I can buy from and what is the retail value, and yeah, let's move on. And the other thing is this HelloFresh save a touch of $80 off use voucher to receive $20 off your first 4 boxes. Wow, that's awesome. So this is a book by HelloFresh, Winter Warmers Cookbook, and it has lots of recipes inside. I think it's 2. It's not lots, it's 2. Oh, I can see another page. Yeah, it's like 3 kinds of recipe inside. So literally I am so happy today just because I have recorded 2 videos. This is my second video. First video I just finished recording and I have like done this liquid lipstick swatches, and one of the lipsticks I am wearing it from that liquid lipstick, and that was a matte red, but I just applied a lip gloss on top by Colourpop. I love this lip gloss so much, so I thought okay, I will be adding this on top of this matte liquid lipstick, which I just finished swatching and reviewing that liquid lipsticks. There are 5 in collection, so that video is coming up soon. Don't miss that because literally that liquid lipsticks are so affordable. So yes, let's move on and see what is the first product I got, and I can see it is a nails ink nail polish in Cullingham Place. So this is the nail polish and I am wearing this nail polish. Just see my nails. This is the nail polish I am wearing it today, and this BellaBox just came in the box yesterday, so I was going to apply the nail polish, so I thought okay, let me apply this one and just see. This color is such a gorgeous nude shade. So beat the winter blues with this custom made BB color on your tips. This universal shade from nail ink is perfect on all skin tone, which is right. I am warm tone, but I think on cool tone it will look much more better than warm tone for me. It delivers maximum color intensity and ultra glossy finish that won't let you down even on the grayish of winter days. Yes, so this is a full size product. 10 ml retails for $23. You can get it from Sephora or here in David Jones. So the next product is this LA Banque Hair Hydrate Me Hydrating Hair and Scalp. Natural ingredients, lime scented. So it says at the back, hydrate your hair and scalp, or our hydrating hair plus scalp mask has been specially formulated to produce smooth, healthy and luxurious looking locks. Yeah, so this product is made in Australia and it says apply evenly to dry hair, combing through from roots to tips, leave in for maximum 20 minutes, then rinse, shampoo and style as usual. So this product has coconut oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, jojoba oil fragrance. So it has quite a nice amount of oils in here, and I will be trying this like this week. And this product retails for $18 100 ml. So this one is 50 ml. So for 100 ml it's $18, and you can buy it from Priceline, David Jones and Chemist Warehouse, and also from Maya here in Australia. So the next product is this Burt's Bees Night Cream with Royal Jelly. So this product is enriched with royal jelly. This moisturizer will rejuvenate the skin overnight and leave it feeling radiant and healthy looking. So this product for 51 gram retails for $39, and this one is like a sample size 18.9 gram. So 51 gram retails for like $39.99, and you can buy it from Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, David Jones and Maya. Wow, lots of products are from David Jones and Maya this month. So I will love to try this cream, because this cream is a night cream, skin nourishment, normal to combination skin. So my skin is combination, so it will be good. I don't know, but I haven't tried any. Like I have tried Burt's Bees lipsticks, which I got from BellaBox, I think, but I haven't tried any of their creams or any other products. So I love to give it a try, and I'll see if I like it or not. So let's see. If I like any of this product, I will be mentioning it in my favorites video. So watch my favorites video. So the next product is this Neutrogena Naturals Multivitamin Nourishing Moisturizer. I haven't used much of Neutrogena's product, so this I love to try this one too. And this is a moisturizer, and it is like multivitamin nourishing moisturizer. So it says it won't clog pores, so this is good. I will try this just because this is a drugstore product, and you can find Neutrogena products everywhere. Replenish essential skin nutrients and deeply nourish your skin with Neutrogena Naturals Multivitamin Daily Moisturizer. It will leave you naturally radiant with healthier, younger looking skin. So yeah, I will try this, and it says no harsh chemicals. So this one is 88 ml. So this is a full size product. 88 ml retails for $14.99, and it's available in Priceline, Kmart. I think it's also available in Coles, Woolies, I think so. Yeah. So moving on, the next product is this Ganya Skin Active Rescue Mask in Juicy Lemon. Wow. So this is a peel off mask. So it says here, just because it's winter, it doesn't mean your glow has to go. This single dose face mask will illuminate your skin for a smooth, radiant complexion with a healthy glow. Look on Feather for a mask that will rescue your complexion and leave you looking more refined and luminous in no time. So this product is only $3.95, and it's available at Target, Big W, Priceline. If I am using this mask, I will be posting it like on Instagram stories and also on Snapchat. So make sure you are following me on Snapchat and Instagram to see all these stuffs. Like I usually post on Snapchat and Instagram stories about most of the products which I get. The last thing I can see here is a bonus product, which is certified organic flora tan face lotion by Zoe, and I have used one of Zoe's organic mascara, and I love that so much. Literally I am not using that mascara anymore, just because I saw this. I can remember that one time I got that mascara and it's somewhere in the mascara drawer, and I should start using that mascara again. I just noticed, just because I saw this name here. So this is just a tan lotion, and that mascara by Zoe is so good. I love it, and I will be using this too, and I will be like posting it on Instagram, Facebook stories. If you guys are not following me there, all the links are below in the description box. Make sure you are following me there. And yeah, that was it for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and follow me on all social media sites. All the links will be below in the description box. And yeah, until next time, bye.